adding it to your medical profession?
You see, when I was in Nigeria, I've been looking for something.
Hello, my people. I bring DYNA EKWUEME'S husband and DYNA EKWUEME. I bring DYNA and her husband come this my channel today. Yes, so I need to smile. No, now pardon my face, my look. Now because I just filmed that girl video when her stepfather, the Duvaga, the tea pay me. Now I make my face be like this. Yes, I bring DYNA EKWUEME, our beautiful sister, when you cut her hair, when you shave her hair. My people. DYNA EKWUEME husband say, may we rate her. I be rate. Hey, may we rate her haircut when she cut for her wife Dynamite. He said Dynamite, may una tell me wetin I go do when he will take improve in haircut, or may una still rate am whether he cut the hair well. My brother, if you watch this my video, you come across this my video, you do it well, you do a great job. In fact, may God bless your home. In fact, since as I just dey watch you now, watch you and your wife, there is something. I pray all your sweat, all your struggle, may God, in fact, add more blessing. As a doctor, you look your left, you look your right. As Nigeria, they try to frustrate. How can a doctor, now they feel they pay doctor when my country, Nigeria? You, when they say they vote put for there now, you, when they say they don't vote, you enter. I bet look all those things, police, doctors, all those workers, I bet look into their salary. How can a doctor, they earn money well? He said, now YouTube, DYNA EKWUEME, no be me talk more. Me una go DYNA EKWUEME'S channel. Yes. Please, Dynamite, may una watch this video. May una watch am well from the beginning to the end. It dey show. Yes, may una watch am. The last one I watch am where God will bless you now. I appreciate you now. The Dynamite. I appreciate you now. Too much. Me I kiss you now. Me I kiss you now. No time. Now watch the second one well, and I like it. And God will bless you guys. Now, my people. Yesterday, as I watched this, my sister DYNA and her husband. I said, now wow, doctor. Salary not dey reach again. Can't they look? It can't they double look? Wetin he go do? Which handwork he go feel? Then he enter YouTube. She learn haircut through YouTube. As me tell learn how to make hair through YouTube. Hey, DYNA husband learn how to cut hair through YouTube. Me, Naija Daughter, Esther Family TV. Why don't they follow my video? Why don't they watch Esther Family? My small and simple lifestyle. I dey upload that. I dey upload that for Esther Family when they follow me. Okay. He learn how to cut hair for YouTube. Me, I learn how to make hair for YouTube. You see where my sister, you don't go follow your husband full step. When you know say you want jackpot for Nigeria, your husband they learn hair through YouTube. You for go learn now. If now only how to do all those wig self, how to do all those wig when this our sister Nello go do. I dey like am o. Me I not fit do one. No, me I not fit do all those net hair. One when I get in fact, I and I make that hair. I no ever fit put that for my head. You see, I wish you still learn as your husband learn. Maybe where shall you said your hair it moves. Now I make you cut am. May I leave that part before the video they go. The main purpose of me doing this video, I want you to encourage those people of my own Africa people or any human being. You see what DYNA EKWUEME husband talk? Now doctor, he go school, he get the certificate. He can't be doctor, he can't get job through the doctor. He not saying he don't be doctor. May he leave everything. No, he go ahead to learn how to cut. Her wife talking yesterday say, through this her haircut every weekend now, your husband they get job. Apart from the salary when they pay him for the work. Now they say, apart from his salary, he still get handwork. After he go school finish, he go learn how to cut hair through YouTube. What do they do? You be person when they dry, that is they push wheelbarrow. No fit say that is the end. Go look for something. As you they do that thing, look for handwork. Look for something doing. If a daughter can get plan B, you when you be Okada rider, many of our youth, they finish school, they don't see work. Are you one of them? Go watch DYNA EKWUEME husband, when her husband they cut her hair. That video, as me look at, not be just to look at. Look and pick something inside. Look that video and pick something out of that video. If a daughter can think of plan B, look for handwork. And you call yourself, say you are a graduate. You don't get work. Then you just hold Okada or you just say another thing when you do. Please think about plan B. Yes. Think about plan B. Nobody knows tomorrow. Anything can come. Anything can happen. Look for something doing. Now this YouTube. Don't look the view side. Keep posting. Keep doing something. Get plan B. One day, God will hear your prayer. One day, God will answer your prayer. If DYNA EKWUEME'S husband, when he be doctor, if they will ask you and say, me una rate this her wife haircut. Me una will tell her, waiting she go do deep. Waiting she go apply. Waiting he go buy. No be she. Waiting he go buy. My people, this video now for many people. Not just say because of say I be just be doctor now, then you just focus all your life. For me, mostly Africa, no do it so. Look for plan B. This guy now don't travel now out of Nigeria. You see that he handwork when he learn through online. He don't use on the court. He say how even tell say he don't be professor for inside. He say if he reach work, people go to say and say, Oga, this Nigeria hair. You just say they see the barber around for you because he will be Nigeria hair. If you be Nigeria hair. Now me the barber man he say nah lie. Now lie. Now you the barber your hair like this? He say yes. Now you the barber your hair like this? He say yes. From there, Oga start to they get customer. My people. Oga come they get customer. A doctor who they treat me and you. Come be barber. Now you the barber your wife hair now. Not me talk now. Don't they see the video? Now you the barber your wife hair. Now you the barber your children hair. Giving up is not the answer. Any condition you find yourself, pick your pixies and dust yourself. Move on. If a daughter will be daughter for Nigeria, that salary is not enough for he and his wife. He try to double think. He take creeper, start to the barber. Today, he can barber, they pay him money. Could he? If you dey Africa, you say you not see anything you did do. Double think. If you not get internet to learn, go for somebody, go learn for somebody. If you be taxi driver, not just put all your hope for taxi. If you can do taxi from morning to afternoon or evening, or maybe one day in a week, you don't get what you do, go use and learn something. If a daughter can do it, you the taxi, you can still do it. Now this one I get to talk, my beautiful people. As I see DYNA EKWUEME and his family, as they drop this video, when you say make they rate her, you say make they do review. Me, I thought they do review for my channel, my brother. DYNA man, husband, I say DYNA man, when I do review, I don't do review, my brother. You finish work. My whole prayer is everything, all your heart desire, make God do it for you. Everything you they seek for, when you they ask God, God, give it to me. Baby, give it to me. Baby, give it to me. I give it to you. I know what you are. That kind of thing. God know what you want. All those your struggle, all those your hard work, it will never go in vain. It will come and you will enjoy it, you and your wife. Now remember when I did Saudi Arabia or when I see the Saudi Arabia, when things go, not be so na the suffer, not be so na not okay, not so na okay, but na still struggle, including me, I'm still struggle. I see the wait one day when God will bless me. One go they remember my struggle. One go they say, God, you are in fact, God, I still the wait. I know some people they now when they never see food eat 1 square meal a day, but some of us we don't eat. I pray may God still give those people food to eat. May God answer everybody heart desire. You know, when you see couple when they struggle, you go know say yeah, this couple they are struggle. They are trying their best to give the best to their children. Yes, couples they like that. When you just see some small thing, you just see blessing, favor. You just see light. When some no light, so as they go do. May God let our light shine upon us. My people, that's why I bring come out of DYNA EKWUEME'S husband as it start to the barber. As with that I'll give him a daughter become a barber in Saudi Arabia. DYNA EKWUEME'S husband. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
A form of fulfillment, all right.
So you'll be waiting for my head to be damaged?
No, the thing is, I feel happy doing it for my family because the aim of this was actually the whole aim why I learned how to barb, all right. That I'm now making some small cash out of it was an added bonus.
Oh, babe, this year you don't get customers. This year customers almost every weekend you get customer. I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
Happy for you.
So, you know, I've worked hard at it. It didn't just, it wasn't something, in fact, the way I started this whole thing seems something like a miracle. You know, it all started back in Nigeria. Okay, so guys.
So are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's kick start. Here we go, baby. You know, adding it to your medical profession.
Okay. Well, the thing is, when I was in Nigeria, I've been looking for something I could do apart from medical practice, something I could combine with my job. Just whether you call it a hobby slash a side hustle, whatever they call it. But unfortunately, I couldn't. The stress in Nigeria fogged my brain. I couldn't think out of the box to come up with just the stress. And let me say, almost 2 weeks, and I didn't really see myself going out to a barber. It wasn't easy for me. Let me say, first of all, it wasn't easy for me. For guys, you know how when you have a good barber, after when you leave, where fogged my brain. So how would you rate my?
I would give it 9.5 over 10 because I'm not lecturer that doesn't give 10 over 10. Some lecturers I used to withhold.
Are you giving me 9.5 because I'm your husband, or?
No. I'm giving because he gave me what I want.
Okay.
If you give me what I want, without any.
So guys, anywhere you see sterile cords, just give me a buzz. So guys, I beg, make una rate me. Sterile cords, how did I do on my wife's side? I really want.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.